In this video, you will learn how to install Accountable2You on Windows. First, navigate to support.accountable2you.com. Then, search for the Windows Installation Guide. Download the installer for Windows by clicking the download link in the guide. Once the download is complete, open the file. You may see a blue screen from Windows Defender. If you do, simply click More Info and then click Run Anyway to begin the installation. The app will now open. Click Log In, then click Next until you get to the Add Device screen. First, give your computer a descriptive name. Next, enter your Accountable2You username and password and click Add Device. If you're on a family plan, you'll be asked to assign this computer to a user. After that, review the terms and conditions and click I agree. Then, click Check My Device. You'll see a final confirmation. Click Done and the app will begin monitoring quietly in the background. And that's it, you're all set. If you need any help, please visit support.accountable2you.com. Thanks for watching.